Good morning to all. Yesterday, I have given one example for your homework. Have you solved it? Yes, please. Have you solved that example? Hello. Are you getting
Yes,
my
ma'am.
voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Then please reply me. Have you solved that example? What was that example? Y is equal to
Log of x plus
log of x plus
root
Under root
x square
square
plus
root of
1.
x square plus 1.
square root of x square plus 1
Bracket square.
complete bracket square. Okay. Then we have to prove that or show that at x is equal to 0, y n plus 2 at 0 is equal to minus n square into yn at 0. Okay, this was the example.
Yes.
Now here the given function, that is y, is equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus 1 complete bracket square. Differentiate it with respect to x. Then we are getting first derivative, that is y1 is equal to, what is the derivative of log of x plus square root of x square plus 1 bracket square?
1
2
upon
into
log
log of x plus square root of x square plus 1 into derivative of log of x plus x square plus 1, that is
1 upon
1 upon
x plus under root x square plus
yes
1
x plus square root of x square plus 1 into derivative of this bracket, that is
1 plus
1 plus
2x divided by 2 root
2x divided by
under root
2 into square root of x square plus 1. Okay, now we are going to simplify this bracket first. So y1 is equal to 2 into log of x plus square root of x square plus 1 divided by x plus root x square plus 1 into, in bracket, 2 will cancel. By taking LCM, we get the term as x plus square root of x square plus 1 divided by root x square plus 1. Okay. आता इथे x plus root x square plus 1 and here we have x plus root x square plus 1. These two terms will cancel. So here we are getting that y1 is equal to 2 into log of x plus x square plus 1 divided by root x square plus 1. Now shifting this root x square plus 1, which is in denominator, on left hand side, it will be root x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2 into log of x plus square root of x square plus 1. Okay. Now again differentiate it. Again, differentiate it with respect to x. What we are getting here? First term as it is, derivative of y1. So right here,
y
root x square plus 1 as it is, into derivative of y1, that is y2, plus derivative of root x square plus 1, that is 2x
Wow.
divided by 2 into square root of x square plus 1 into y1. Okay, which is equal to 2 constant, derivative of log of x plus root x square plus 1. So that is 1 divided by x plus root x square plus 1 into derivative of this bracket, that is 1 plus 2x divided by 2 into square root of x square plus 1. Okay. Again, we are simplifying this bracket. So left hand side, that is root x square plus 1 into y2 plus 2 to cancel, x y1 divided by root x square plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 upon x plus root x square plus 1 into 2 to cancel. By taking LCM, we get the term x plus root x square plus 1 divided by root x square plus 1. Okay. Now this root x plus root x square plus 1 from denominator and from numerator will cancel, and here we have 1 upon root x square plus 1. Again we are shifting on left left hand side, so it will be x square plus 1 into y2. ही टर्म आपण या साइडला घेतली आता. ठीक आहे. आणि रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 इंटू रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1, इट विल बी एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 इंटू y2 प्लस रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 divided by root x square plus 1 will cancel. So it will be xy1 is equal to simply 2. हे सगळे टर्म्स कॅन्सल झालेत आणि ही टर्म फक्त आपण या साइडला शिफ्ट केली. ओके. Therefore we have x square plus 1 into y2 plus xy1 minus 2 is equal to 0 for Leibniz theorem. So apply here Leibniz theorem. Term by term. So what is that Leibniz theorem? Yes, plus if y is equal to u into v, then yn is equal to, tell me that statement of Leibniz theorem.
un v plus
un into v plus
n
n into un minus 1 into v1 plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. Previous of this un minus 1, that is un minus 2 into v2 plus so on plus u into vn. Okay. So according to this statement of Leibniz theorem, we are getting nth derivative of this function x square plus 1 into y2 plus xy1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we are considering whose nth derivative at some stage will be 0. So x square plus 1 is equal to v, and nth derivative of y2, that is yn plus 2 plus n into previous derivative of yn plus 2, that is yn plus 1 into next derivative of x square plus 1, that is 2x plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial previous derivative of yn plus 1, that is yn, into next derivative of 2x, that is 2. And here we should stop that process. Consider xy1 for Leibniz theorem. So x as it is, nth derivative of y1, that is yn plus 1, plus n into previous derivative of yn plus 1, that is yn, and next derivative of x, that is 1. Again, we should stop that process. And remaining term is minus 2, and derivative of minus 2, it will be 0. Okay. So it is equal to 0. Now we are simplifying the terms. Here x square plus 1 yn plus 2 plus equating the same terms xy n plus 1, and here also we have xy n plus 1. So we are taking that 2n plus 1 into xy n plus 1 as the common factor. Then next 2 to cancel, plus n square by n minus n by n plus n by n is equal to 0. The negative and positive term will cancel. Therefore, here we have x square plus 1 into yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1 plus n square by n is equal to 0. Now in this equation, we have to consider x is equal to 0, because we have to show that at x is equal to 0, yn plus 2 at 0 is equal to minus n square by n at 0, isn't it? So here we are keeping x is equal to 0. इथे x ची value 0 put केली, ही complete term 0 होते आणि राहते कोणती term फक्त या ठिकाणी बघा 1 into yn plus 2. So it is yn plus 2 at 0, because x is equal to 0 is equal to ha plus n square shift केला, so it will be minus n square into yn at 0. Hence the proof. Okay. सगळ्यांना समजलं हे एक्झाम्पल? काल तुम्हाला होमवर्क साठी दिलं होतं हे एक्झाम्पल मी. Now going for the next example. tan inverse घेतलं. आणखीन एक कोणतं दिलं होतं तुम्हाला होमवर्क साठी?
एकच होत.
एकच दिलं होतं. साइनचं दिलं नव्हतं? m sin inverse of x चं?
नाही.
No.
ते सॉल्व करून घेतलं होतं ना.
सॉल्व घेतलं का मी ते? ओके, नो इश्यू. Now next example.
येस मॅम, सॉल्व करून घेतले अगोदर.
Okay. Now today's next example. If y is equal to x plus root a square plus x square bracket raised to m, then prove that x square plus a square into yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1 plus n square minus m square yn is equal to 0. Okay. So here we have y is equal to x plus square root of a square plus x square bracket raised to m. What will be the first derivative? Differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y, that
n
is y1 is equal to m into
x plus
x plus square
root
root
x
of a square plus x square bracket raised to m
m
minus 1 into derivative of this bracket
1 plus
1 plus
1 plus
2x upon
एक मिनट just a minute. Okay. x plus root a square plus x square याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सांगा.
2x divided by 2
2x divided by
2
2
under root
into
s
root a square plus
plus
x
x
square. Okay. Therefore, y1 is equal to m into x plus root a square plus x square bracket raised to m minus 1 into, simplifying this bracket, we get x plus root a square plus x square divided by root a square plus x square. Okay. Therefore, y1 is equal to m into x plus root a square plus x square bracket raised to m minus 1 into x plus root a square plus x square raised to 1 and divided by, we have a square plus x square. Okay. Therefore, shifting the term root a square plus x square on left hand side, so it will be root a square plus x square into y1 is equal to, आता इथं raised to m minus 1 आहे आणि इथं 1 आहे. By using law of indices, the if base is same, then you can add or subtract the its power. So we are getting the term m into x plus root a square plus x square bracket raised to m minus 1 plus 1, it gives m. Okay. Again differentiate this because we need here yn plus 2. Again differentiate it. With respect to x. So first term keeping as it is, a square plus x square, derivative of y1, that is y2, plus derivative of root a square plus x square,
2x divided by 2
x upon 2 into
2 under root a square plus s.
yes, correct, into y1 is equal to m into derivative of x plus root a square plus x square raised to m, that will be m into
M.
so m already m ahe, so m into
M square.
m square. Okay. X plus root a square plus x square bracket raised to m minus 1
minus 1.
into, shall I write that this complete term? या ब्रॅकेटच्या ऐवजी मी ही टर्म लिहिली तरी चालेल का इथं?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. डायरेक्ट मी सिम्प्लिफाय केलेली टर्म लिहिते इथं. x plus root a square plus x square divided by root a square plus x square. ओके. मग आता परत हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळतं बघा इथं. सो रूट a square plus x square into y2 plus 2 cancel, x by 1 divided by root a square plus x square in equal to m square into x plus root a square plus x square bracket raised to m minus 1 plus 1, it raised to m, divided by
Under
root a square plus x square. Okay, now shift this term. We are shifting this term from denominator on left hand side, so it will be a square plus x square into y2 plus xy1, because the same terms will cancel, is equal to m square into, now here we have x plus root a square plus x square bracket is to m, that is equal to y, so put y here, and finally we are getting the equation as x square plus a square, फक्त मी इंटरचेंज केली व्हॅल्यू घेतली, y2 plus xy1 minus m square y equal to 0. Now you can apply the Leibniz theorem term by term. So go for it. Applying Leibniz theorem. Term by term. So first x square plus a square y n plus 2 plus n into y n plus 1 into 2x. A is a constant, so the derivative of a will be 0 plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial by n into 2 plus next term is xy1. So applying Leibniz theorem for xy1. So x into yn plus 1 plus n into previous derivative of yn plus 1, that is yn, and next derivative of x, that is 1, and minus m square into yn is equal to 0. After simplification, we are getting the terms x square a square yn plus 2 plus equate the same terms. So in bracket 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1. Here 2 factorial and 2 is cancel. So plus n square yn minus n by n plus n minus m square yn is equal to 0. And finally, we are getting the answer as x square plus a square yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1 plus n square minus m square yn is equal to 0. Okay. Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for homework, I am giving that same example. Just instead of that m, we have here if y is equal to x plus root a square plus x square bracket square, then prove that x square plus a square yn plus 2 plus 2n plus 1 xyn plus 1 plus n square minus 2 square yn is equal to 0. This is for your homework. आणि होमवर्क मध्ये दिलेले एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करा. फक्त लिहून ठेवू नका किंवा मी देते म्हणून लिहू नका फक्त. Next example, if x is equal to sine theta, y is equal to sine 2 theta, then prove that 1 minus x square y n plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 into xy n plus 1 minus n square minus 4 yn is equal to 0. Now tell me how to solve this example. The given terms are x is equal to sine theta and y is equal to sine 2 theta. And whenever we are solving the examples with Leibniz theorem of second type, first we have to express y in terms of x. Who will tell me that? Yes, please.
फर्स्ट साइन 2 थीटाचा
काय करतोय आपण आधी? हा प्लीज.
साइन 2 थीटाचा फॉर्म्युला.
तुमचा आवाज तुटतोय.
साइन 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस.
Don't go for that. Here we have x is equal to sine theta.
dx by d theta आणि dy
Okay. Therefore, theta is equal to
साइन इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स
over sine inverse of x. Now put this theta is equal to sine inverse of x in this function.
Yes.
So we are getting that y is equal to sine of 2 into
साइन इनवर्स
sine inverse of x. It's so easy. Now you can take derivatives, differentiate it. Then we are getting y1. y1 is equal to derivative of sine of 2 sine inverse of x.
cos of 2 sin inverse of x
Yes,
into
cos of 2 sine inverse of x
into 1
into
upon
derivative of sine inverse of x
2 upon under root
divided by yes,
the root 1 minus x
1 minus
x
x square. Now simplify the terms. Means here 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Taking on left hand side, it will be root 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to
y1
2 into cos of 2 sine inverse of x. Again differentiating this function. Differentiate again. derivative, just keeping 1 minus x square as it is, y1 चा derivative y2 plus derivative of root 1 minus x square minus 2x divided by 2 into root 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to, आता 2 constant आहे, derivative of cos theta, that is minus sin theta. So minus 2 into sine of 2 sine inverse of x into derivative of this bracket. So it will be 2 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Therefore, root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square, it gives 1 minus x square into y2 minus, आता या ठिकाणी मायनस आहे त्यामुळे डायरेक्टली मायनस घेतलंय, 2 to cancel, square root of 1 minus x square and this square root of 1 minus x square will cancel. So remaining term is x y1 is equal to minus 2 into 2, it is minus 4 into, for sine of 2 sine inverse of x, we can put that y. And for Leibniz theorem, we are getting the equation as 1 minus x square into y2 minus xy1 plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay. Now apply Leibniz theorem term by term. So first 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 plus n into yn plus 1 into minus 2x plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into minus 2 minus xyn plus 1 minus
y राहिले तिथे
hello हा इथं y1 राहिलेलं आहे ना, एकच मिनिट. yn into minus 2 minus xyn plus 1 minus n into yn 1 plus 4yn equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, 1 minus x square yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1, 2 cancel, इथला इथं काय राहील, minus n square yn minus into minus plus n yn minus nyn plus 4yn equal to 0. And again, after simplification, we get the answer 1 minus x square yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 into xyn plus 1. Then हे प्लस मायनस कॅन्सल झाला, इथं मायनस n स्क्वेअर आहे आणि इथं प्लस 4 आहे. जर मायनस कॉमन घेतला तर हा प्लस होईल आणि हा मायनस होईल. सो मायनस n स्क्वेअर minus 4yn is equal to 0. Hence the proof. Okay. प्रत्येकाला समजलं एक्झाम्पल?
yes ma'am.
Ma'am.
Almost we have completed all examples. Now after this I will give you some examples for your homework. Just try it to solve. find nth derivative of y is equal to sec inverse of x. आता या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला मी प्रूव्ह दॅट म्हणणार नाही, सॉल्व्ह करा nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, मिनिमम 2 डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्या आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फायनल जे लिबनिझ थेरम असतं ते अप्लाय करा. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, सेकंड वन झाला, साइन इन्व्हर्स तुम्ही करू शकता आरामात. नेक्स्ट, इफ y इज इक्वल टू 1 minus x square bracket raised to minus half into sine inverse of x, then prove that 1 minus x square into yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 3 xyn plus 1 minus n plus 1 square by n equal to 0. ओके, हे दोन एक्झाम्पल्स तुमच्या होमवर्क साठी असणार आहे, तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा. जर सॉल्व्ह नाही झाले तर परत आपण क्लासमध्ये सॉल्व्ह करूयात. ठीक आहे.
ओके मॅम.
Just a minute, we will discuss MCQs in this session only. Just wait. Screen is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us start. First example, if y is equal to cos square x, then what will be the nth derivative of this cos square x? Yes, who will tell me? Y is equal to cos square x. Then what will be the value of yn? Yes, please. Cos square x आहे इथला. कसं कन्वर्जन करणार cos square ला? हाँ, be fast.
2x divided by 2.
Yes, आणखी एकदा सांगा.
1 plus cos
Cos
2x
Plus 1 upon 2.
divided by 2.
cos 2x divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
बरोबर आहे? y is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 1 plus cos 2x. Is it okay to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये मला. माझा आवाज क्लिअर येतो तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तुमचा आवाज क्लिअर येत नाहीये मला का? ओके. नाव हिअर वी आर अप्लाइंग nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. रिझल्ट यूज करायचा. कोणता रिझल्ट यूज करतोय आपण cos 2x साठी? हॅलो.
Cos of x plus b, nth derivative.
Cos of
Ax plus
ax plus b. Then its nth derivative will be a raised to n into cos
cos
of ax plus b plus
n pi by
n pi by 2. So 1 by 2. त्याचा nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0 मिळणार. आता याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय मिळेल सांगा? cos 2x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह
2 raised to n
2 raised to n into
cos of
cos of
2
2x plus
n pi by
n pi by 2. So which option is the correct option then?
A.
first option A.
Option A.
First option. Okay. Then next. Find nth differentiation of log of 2x minus 3. आपल्याला कोणते डेरिव्हेटिव्ह माहिती आहे? nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह log of x plus b चं माहिती आहे ना?
Yes.
Log of x plus b. What is the nth derivative of log of x plus b?
Minus 1
1 raised to n minus 1.
in
Minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n
N
minus
minus
1 factorial into a raised to n divided by
Ax plus
ax plus b bracket raised to n. Now this log of ax plus b we are going to compare with log of 2x minus 3. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. So nth derivative of this function log of 2x minus 3, that is yn is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into 2 raised to n divided by 2x minus 3 bracket raised to n. Which option is the correct option now?
option A.
Option
A.
A.
A na?
Yes.
Next, if y is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 bracket square, then yn is equal to. Again, we are comparing this with 1 upon ax plus b bracket raised to m. याचा nth डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असेल?
Minus 1 raised to n. Minus 1 raised to n.
Not getting your voice clearly.
Minus 1 raised to
Just a minute, just a minute. Hold on, please. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yn is equal to minus 1 raised to n into
M plus n minus 1
factorial divided by
m minus 1
1
to n
factorial into a raised to n divided by ax plus b bracket raised to m plus n. Now ax plus b comparing with x minus 2. So yn is equal to minus 1 raised to n into m, that is 2 plus n minus 1 factorial divided by 2 minus 1 factorial, that is 1 factorial into 1 raised to n divided by x minus 2 bracket raised to m, that is 2 n plus 2. So finally we have option minus 1 raised to n into n minus 1 factorial divided by x minus 2 raised to n plus 2. Which option is the correct option then? Sorry,
Option
plus 1 is the 2 minus 1, that is n plus 1.
Option B.
Option
B.
Option B. Okay. The next. हे एक्झाम्पल नाहीये, हे पार्शियल मधलं एक्झाम्पल आहे. हे नका सॉल्व करू. नेक्स्ट. For fifth one. Go for fifth one. हाँ. e raised to 3x into sin 3x. सांगा पटकन चला. आन्सर सांगा बरं डायरेक्टली. हॅलो.
Yes, ma'am.
विशाखा. आन्सर सांगा चला. संध्या. आवाज क्लिअर येतो ना माझा?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आरती चौगुले बोला. तृप्ती. साक्षी काळे. Are you getting my voice clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me that answer then. If y is equal to e raised to 3x into sin 3x, then what will be the value of y, nth derivative? Apply result by using the result e raised to x into sin of bx plus c.
D option, ma'am.
Option
D.
B.
D. 4. Option 4.
Fourth option 18 raised to n by 2 means root 18 raised to n into e raised to 3x sin of 3x plus n pi by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us check out that.
Option C, ma'am.
Option C.
मॅडम ऑप्शन सी
Option
येते
C.
आपण चेक करूया तिथं.
ऑप्शन थर्ड सी येते मॅम.
e raised to x into sin of bx plus c, then its nth derivative is yn is equal to r raised to n into e raised to x into sin of bx plus c plus n phi, where phi is equal to tan inverse of b by a and r is equal to root a square plus b square. Okay, now we have here e raised to 3x into sin of 3x. As we are comparing these two terms, then yn is equal to r raised to n. R raised to n means square root of a square plus b square. Okay, a is 3 and b is also 3. 3 square plus 3 square, that is root 18 raised to n into e raised to 3x into sin of 3x plus n phi. So what is the phi? Tan inverse of b by a. So tan inverse of 3 divided by 3, that is tan inverse of 1. And tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
So here root 18 raised to n into e raised to 3x cos of sin of 3x plus n pi by 4. So which option is the correct option?
Option D.
D. Okay. Just a minute. I'm going to see your attendance. Roll number 1, roll number 2 absent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 47, 48, 49, 53, 55, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Okay. Roll number 2. Just a minute. Okay, now I am going to wind up this meeting here only.